we started working together and we started meeting on a regular basis, no lie, I was a completely different person then than I am now. And I know that's kind of crazy to say, but Jonathan has been a huge turning point in my life for becoming almost a different person, for the better. I know Jonathan is my business coach, but he's not just a business coach, he's really a mentor to me. He is my mentor, and that's something that I've been praying for years. Before we started working together, looking back, I was struggling. I've always been a positive person, and I'm always trying to be a better person moving forward, trying to be, better business owner, better friend, better husband, better father, just better person overall. But there's a lot of things holding me back from really achieving a lot of my goals. And the number one thing was just fear. And it's so crazy to see where I was a year ago until now. Another big thing for me, it was kind of tough for me to let things go. I felt like I needed to be doing all the work because no one else was gonna do it the way that I wanted to do it. But with that, just kind of letting things go and not being fearful and putting my employees in a place where they can grow into leaders, Jonathan's really helped me with that. And another thing he always said to me was, I just don't want to be your business coach. I don't want just you to be my student. I want you to become the master. And that was huge for me because now, after our conversations, it's really created a chain reaction. I have introduced a lot of the books that he recommended to my friends. I've sat down, smoking a cigar or having a drink and just talking about how these things have changed my life. And it's made my relationships better. And it's really had a chain reaction with my friends and family. And now they're just things are starting to click, and things are being more positive. And, my conversations with my wife are just more intense and on a deeper level. And that's because it's almost hard to explain, but Jonathan really helped me just clear my head and get to a whole different level of intellect. It doesn't matter where you're at in your life. It doesn't matter if, you're at one end of the pendulum or the other. He'll meet you there, and he'll be able to speak truth into your life about where you're currently at. So it doesn't matter where you're at with your business or where your life, he can literally come in at any point that you're at and help you succeed and help you grow. If you're on the fence working with Jonathan, just hop right off the fence, or just commit to meeting with him one time. And I guarantee that you won't regret it. Just grab a coffee with him, whatever, and just let him know what's going on in your life. And I will pay you $100 if you do not have an epiphany moment within those first 10 minutes. So I would just say, don't be fearful. Just give it a shot. Even if it's one time or whatever it can be, meeting with him once a week, twice a week, maybe once a month, whatever it can do, I guarantee it will help not just your business grow, but it will help your relationship with your spouse grow, with your children grow, with your friends, with your family, with your faith. I don't know how to describe it besides he's become my mentor.